Hey everyone! So today's video, we're going to unbox the Hero 11 Black Creator Edition. So we bought this when we were in the Amsterdam airport. It's around 650 euros. I'm not sure how much is that in Canadian dollar. $1,000? CAD, okay. So this Creator Edition, it includes the tripod, and then there's also a microphone, what do you call it, like a windshield, and also a flashlight or a light, because as you know, GoPros really sucks at night, so that's why this light mod or MOD is really useful. So yeah, this is the part. So there's the Hero Black Media MOD or Media Mod, and also the Volta. Volta is that they call it Volta, the one that is oh, that's fine. I'll just cut it. They call the Volta, they call the tripod as Volta. So yeah, so this GoPro Hero Black 11 is 27 megapixel that can record 5.3K and also 4K and 2.7K, and is also waterproof, 33 feet, 10 meters, the camera only. The Volta isn't waterproof, but they said that it's weatherproof, so you can use it while it's raining, something like that. And then 1080p live streaming, 8x slow-mo, data overlays, webcam mode, GP2 processor, super photo, HDR, and raw photos, enhanced battery life, single-hand wireless control, and enhanced audio capture. And of course, the newest Hyper Smooth Stabilization 5.0. So let's unbox. Wow! So it comes with this, with a small backpack or something like that, like a small box for you to carry all of it. So yeah, this is so nice. Wow! Oh my god! Okay, I am not going to, what do you call it? Like assemble all of it out. I'm just gonna show you how it looks like just literally unboxing. So they have this product questions, subscribe to GoPro for the best experience, and then they have this pro tips for the best cold weather performance, and also what do you call it, like instructions on how to use or how to assemble it. And they also have a sticker. This is so cool. Nice. So yeah, user guides. So let's start. Oh my god. So this is that what do you call it, the media mod or MOD. So that is, and this is actually the microphone, something like that. And then this is that Volta. Can I, yeah, so this is the Volta. So you put this on the GoPro, so it's it has a button, mode, power mode, record, Bluetooth, the battery, and then camera and everything. So it's so cool, and they also have a handle, which is nice. And then let's go for the camera. How can I get this? Oh, so this is the light mod or light MOD, which is also cool. It's really helpful if you are recording at night. And this is the battery, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the battery. And then this is that camera. I get it over there. So this is the GoPro Hero 11. Look at the screen, it's so huge. And then there's also a screen here, and then the camera. What am I missing? Okay, so we have tools here. Wow, so this is that wind shield. So, you know, if you're recording outside and then there's a strong wind or whatever, it will definitely hide or lessen the wind. And then yeah, we have tools here, something like that. USB chargers. What is this? Yeah, some tools, screws or whatever. Yeah, and that's all. My god, this is really so cool. I'm going to show you the video of when it's really assembled. But for now, this is the GoPro Creator Edition, and it's so cool. It has everything you need, right? Oh my god. So I've already assembled the GoPro Creator Edition, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god, it's so nice. Let's see here. So this is what it looks like with the lights and the media mod. Right? It's so cute. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you do like it. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. Have a nice day and stay golden. Bye!